Right, we have a bit of a rare find here. We used to have quite a lot of these LS460s and we haven't had one for a long time, and now we have this beauty in stock. 2009, 59, only done 33,000 miles. It's had 10 services, 9 of them are Lexus, and we've just serviced it, and the car is stunning. Ever so hard to find these, and if you've ever owned one or you're looking at this, you probably want one. This car will last you many years, reliable motoring, and such a fantastic car to drive. So silver metallic with Oakham beige leather. I'm going to carefully walk you around it. The car is pristine in every way. Say, just been serviced, just had 2 new tyres, wheels brand new, powder coated. I'll go down the side ever so carefully. So it's the SEL, it's got electric side and rear blinds, electric tilt slide sunroof, wood leather steering wheel. I say the condition is super. Parking sensors on the front as well as the rear, and I'll go across the front ever so slowly for you to show you how nice it is. You see xenon headlights. I'll go across the bonnet. I can't actually see any chips. There's a tiny little one there, but anyway, go across the front really slowly and carefully for you. And I've just checked the windscreen, and again, perfect, no stone damage. So you've got all the handbooks, the spare keys, and Lexus service history. And I say, we've just done it on the 15th of the 10th, 21, so stamp up there. Right, down this side, and looking down the side, there's no chips, there's no dings. It is really nice. Door edges, no chips down the door edges. Just one of those really nice cars. 33,000 miles from new. Right, steadily across the back for you. Let's open the boot. Might need deep. Oh, there it goes. Obviously power boot. I've got the key in my pocket if that didn't come up then. Obviously super clean in there. Alloy wheels spare, unmarked, all its tools. Even spare batteries in there for the remote, for the headphones, for the DVD player in the back. Right, let's show you in the back for a start. All the leather is super, even the over carpets. Everything's nice and clean. You've got there a memory for the seating, speakers there in the door, seat backs and everything, spot on. It's got the chauffeur rear seat button so you can sit in the back and move the front seat forwards. You've got all the controls here for the aircon and the seats, and a remote control there, and headphones for the DVD player, which pops out the roof. We've got little vanity mirrors that come down either side. Look at the leather and the colour, it's absolutely superb. No marks at all. It's a bit dark in the showroom today, show you really how nice it is. The roof lining is Alcantara suede and tilt slide sunroof with a sunblind. It's absolutely perfect in there. Soft closed doors as well. There we go. Same in the driver's side. All lovely. Memory setting, adjustable seat belt height for the top of the seat belt. I'll try and show you. Everywhere you look, it's superb. I won't go through all the spec, but basic power fold mirrors, electric steering column, heated steering wheel. It's got the radar cruise, lovely woodwork, lovely condition as well, that woodwork. No scratches, even the armrest there, usually dented where people have had their elbows on. It's all super. Really nice. I'll just put the bonnet, there's not a lot to see under there, but just show you how nice it is. I'll say it drives superb, as they always do. Keyless entry, just got to keep the key in your pocket. And, so I doubt you'll find a nicer last of the LS460 SEL, absolutely super condition, 33,000 miles, had 10 services. It's all ready to go. It's not cheap, but the good ones never are, and I say they're very, very hard to find at the moment. We've had customers ring us, if you ever get another one, give us a call. So here we go, if you're watching, this one is ready and can be yours. Full description if you're watching this on YouTube, it's on our website, justnicecars.co.uk. Any questions, please give us a call. Thank you very much for watching.